Warning! The following video contains dangerous actions performed under the supervision of trained professionals. Do not attempt to recreate any of these videos at home or in school. Viewer discretion advised.
This here is Mr. Barry, a physics teacher at Fenton High School. He is on a mission to spread his physics knowledge and make kids' lives miserable. But today, we will view some lab safety expectations and rules that will save you from Barry's wrath, so you won't have to run away or bribe him. Rule number 1. Under no circumstances should there be horseplay as displayed in the following clips.
14 packets of baking soda in a half gallon of vinegar. Holy crap! Screw it on! Screw it on! Throw it up in the air as high as you can. Oh!
Horseplay such as this can lead to serious injuries, which Barry does not want to deal with. So don't mess around and pay attention in class. Rule number 2. Any injuries, no matter how little or severe, should be reported to Barry immediately, like your life depends on it. If any type of injury or accident happens, please take it seriously. Rule number 3. Always be careful when handling electricity. If you don't, you might literally be cooked. Trust me, electricity is no joke, so keep your hands away from it, just as Spider-Man. Rule number 4. Lasers can be very dangerous if not used properly, and can lead to permanent skin or eye damage, so don't mess around with them. Rule number 5. Always have proper clothing during lab day. This here is an example of a non-proper clothing for a lab day. This here is a proper example of what to wear to physics class on a lab day. Rule number 6. In case of a fire, please make sure you use the fire extinguisher to put the fire out. If you are on fire, please get on the floor and roll on the fire blanket. As you can see here, this guy is putting out the fire with a fire extinguisher. This is the proper way to use a fire extinguisher. Here, someone is on fire, and this guy is using a fire blanket to put the fire out. In case someone else or yourself is on fire, please use a fire blanket. Rule number 7. In the case you or anyone else gets chemicals or something else in your eyes, please direct yourself to the eye wash station, or if you have gotten chemicals on yourself, to the shower in class. Here is an example on how to use a shower in physics class in the case of a chemical getting on your body. Here is an example on how to use an eye wash station in the case you get something or a chemical in your eye. And last but not least, rule number 8. Always make sure all your labs have been teacher approved by this guy. And I'll give you guys one last bonus tip to survive Barry's wrath. Bribe him with Taco Bell. You didn't hear it from me though.
That's all, folks.